students, this is Nitika Sinha and today I am here to teach you human heart. Okay. So today we will study about the structure of human heart, basically internal structure of human heart. This internal structure is also called anatomy of human heart. So our human heart has 4 chambers. As we have rooms in our homes, so our human heart is also have some rooms like room number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 2 rooms are present above and 2 rooms are present at below positions. Okay. So the 2 above rooms or 2 above chambers are named as atrium and 2 below chambers are named as ventricles. Okay. So the atrium which is present at right side of our body is named as right atrium and the atrium which is present left side of our body is left atrium and the ventricle which is present at right side of our body is right ventricle and the ventricle which is present at left side of our body is left ventricle. So all the rooms or chambers are separated from each other. Okay. So the wall which separates of our chambers is named as septum. Okay. The wall which is separating our chambers is named as septum. So the upper 2 atriums are separated with each other with a wall named as interatrioseptum and the 2 ventricles are also separated with each other by the help of interventricular septum. Okay. Along with this, we have some innervation of blood vessels. The blood vessels have functions to receive blood from our body and to supply blood from our body, from the human heart. Okay. So, we have 4 major blood vessels. The first one is superior vena cava, second is aorta, third is pulmonary artery and fourth is pulmonary vein. Okay. First is superior vena cava, second aorta, third is pulmonary artery and fourth is pulmonary vein. Okay. After this, we have some valves. These valves have function of supplying blood only in one direction. They prevent the backflow of blood. Okay. Our blood can, with the help of these valves, our blood will move in single direction. The blood cannot flow in the backward direction. Okay. So the valve which is present between the right atrium and right ventricle is named as tricuspid valve and the valve which is present between left atrium and left ventricle is known as mitral valve or bicuspid valve. Okay. After this, we have one more valve present in the pulmonary artery and aorta. Okay. This valve is named as semilunar valve. Okay. Semilunar valve. Okay. After this, we will also understand this complex structure in simple form here. Okay. As I said you all that our heart have 4 chambers. Okay. Just like our rooms in our homes. Okay. So, here are our 4 rooms. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The upper 2 chambers are named as atrium and the below 2 chambers are named as ventricles. Okay. So the chamber which is present, upper chamber which is present at right side is right atrium and the upper chamber which is present at left side of body is left atrium. Here is our right ventricle and in left ventricle. Okay. After this, the 4 major blood vessels: vena cava, pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery and aorta. What is vena cava? Vena cava is the main vein of our body. Okay, largest vein of our body. It actually receives all the deoxygenated blood from the whole body and transfer it to our right atrium. And this right atrium supplies the deoxygenated blood to the right ventricle, and from right ventricle this deoxygenated blood is supplied to our lungs. Okay, from right ventricle the deoxygenated blood is supplied to lungs via pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery which takes out the deoxygenated blood from right ventricle and supply it to the lungs. Okay. In lungs, purification of blood occurs. In purification, the deoxygenated blood is oxygenated. Okay. And this oxygenated blood is transferred to our left atrium. Okay. This left atrium receives the oxygenated blood via pulmonary vein. Okay, pulmonary vein. And this pulmonary vein, when supplies blood to the left atrium, this left atrium again supplies the blood to the left ventricle. Okay, the blood will come from left atrium to left ventricle. And this left ventricle will supply blood to aorta. Aorta, this is the main artery, the largest artery of our body. Okay, this aorta will supply blood to the whole body part of a human. Okay, so this was the internal structure and function of human heart. Okay, so thank you for today's lecture.